Welcome, brave explorers, to one of the darkest corners of our planet. Today we uncover the 7 deadliest tribes in the world. These are not just isolated groups. They are fierce guardians of ancient ways, warriors who have repelled modern civilization with arrows, spears, and unrelenting violence. Some still kill outsiders on sight. Others carry legacies of ritual warfare, cannibalism, and brutal raids that echo through history. Approach with caution, because these tribes don't forgive intruders. Number 7, the Kurubo, the people of the club from the Amazon rainforest in Brazil. Deep in the Javari Valley, where laws mean nothing and the jungle swallows secrets, live the Kurubo. Known as the club people for their massive wooden war clubs that can crush skulls in a single blow. These uncontacted warriors have a reputation for extreme violence against outsiders and even rival tribes. In the 1990s, Funai expeditions were attacked with arrows and clubs. They live in near total isolation, rejecting contact fiercely. Their deadliness comes from raw strength and zero hesitation. If you stumble into their territory, your fate is sealed by those brutal clubs. The Kurubo remind us that some parts of the Amazon remain untamed and deadly. Number 6, the Yanomami, warriors of the Amazon between Brazil and Venezuela. The Yanomami are one of the largest uncontacted or semi-contacted groups left, numbering around 35,000. But don't let the numbers fool you. Their culture revolves around fierce inter-village raids, revenge killings, and ritualistic violence. They use blowguns with curare-tipped darts that paralyze victims slowly. Historical accounts describe entire villages wiped out in brutal attacks. In the 1980s and 90s, gold miners invaded their lands, leading to massacres on both sides. The Yanomami fight with shamanic fury and modern weapons smuggled in. Their world is one of constant warfare, where weakness means death. They are survivors who will defend their forest with everything they have. Number 5, the Asmat, headhunters of Papua, Indonesia. In the swamps and rivers of southern New Guinea, the Asmat once ruled as feared cannibals and headhunters. They carved elaborate bistri poles from enemy skulls and believed eating human flesh transferred power. In 1961, Michael Rockefeller vanished after his boat capsized near Asmat territory. Many believe he was killed and ritually consumed. Though headhunting has largely ended due to missionary influence, their warrior tradition lives on. They are skilled with spears and bows, and their remote villages remain dangerous for outsiders. The Asmat's legacy is one of primal terror, a reminder that some ancient rituals die hard. Number 4, the Mashco Piro, the Nomads of death in Peru's Amazon. These ultra-isolated nomads roam the Madre de Dios region, fiercely rejecting all contact. In recent years, they've emerged from the forest armed with bows and arrows, attacking loggers and missionaries. Sightings show them firing arrows at helicopters and boats. Their hostility stems from past traumas. Diseases and violence from outsiders nearly wipe them out. With only a few hundred members left, they fight like cornered animals. Approaching them is suicide. The Mashco Piro are ghosts in the jungle, deadly ghosts who want nothing to do with our world. Number 3, the Korowai, treehouse cannibals of Papua New Guinea. High in the trees of southeastern Papua, the Korowai build towering houses up to 40 meters off the ground to escape floods and enemies. They were among the last tribes discovered by outsiders in the 1970s. Rumors of cannibalism persist. They once ate enemies to absorb their strength, though many deny it continues today. Their territory is remote and treacherous. Outsiders who enter risk attacks with bows, arrows, and spears. The Korowai live by their own brutal code, where survival demands strength and suspicion. Their world is vertical, isolated, and unforgiving. Number 2, the Awa, the most endangered and fiercest guardians of Brazil. Called the world's most threatened tribe by Survival International, the Awa number only a few hundred, with some still uncontacted. They live nomadically in the Amazon, hunting with bows and arrows. Illegal loggers and ranchers have destroyed their forests, leading to violent clashes. The Awa fight back ferociously. Reports describe ambushes on intruders. Their small size makes them desperate and deadly. One wrong step into their shrinking homeland could end in arrows flying from the shadows. The Awa are on the edge of extinction, but they won't go quietly. And finally, number 1, the Sentinelese, the most isolated and hostile tribe on Earth. On North Sentinel Island in the Andaman Sea, India, lives the Sentinelese, the deadliest tribe in the modern world. They have rejected contact for tens of thousands of years. Anyone who approaches is met with a hail of arrows and spears. In 2006, 2 fishermen were killed for drifting too close. In 2018, American missionary John Allen Chow was speared to death trying to convert them. Even helicopters and boats are attacked. Indian law protects the island. No one is allowed near. The Sentinelese have no known language in common with outsiders, no trade, no mercy. They are the ultimate guardians of isolation and the most dangerous people on the planet. Cross their waters, and you won't leave alive. These 7 tribes represent the raw, untamed side of humanity. Some kill to protect their land, others from ancient traditions of war and revenge. In a world of smartphones and cities, they remind us that not every corner has been conquered. Some places and some people remain deadly to intruders. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more documentaries from Cultural Entertainment TV. Tell us in the comments, which tribe shocked you the most, and would you ever dare go near one? If you know someone who loves mysterious places, hidden cultures, and unbelievable true stories, share this video with them. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay safe, because the world still has teeth.